Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to install Super TV on your iPhone. How can you do it? As you can see that I have also installed this application in my iPhone. So first of all, just go inside the App Store and you will see search section. So just write down Super TV and just you will find application. As you can see, this is the application. So let's say that you're not able to find the application. You just need to scroll down and you might be able to find it, but let's say that it is not in the list. So what you need to do is just click on the profile button on the upper right corner and just go inside your Apple account, or you can say the iTunes, the Apple iCloud account. And once you're inside this section, it might take a few seconds to load, so don't worry. And as you can see, like the country and region, that is very important. I've changed my country, and you also need to change your country. As you can see, my current country is United States, and I am able to see the application inside this region. So if you have any other region, just change to United States. The process is very easy to change it. So just change it, and after that you will be able to find the application. So that's a simple and easy process of how you can do it.